Hi guys. Okay. Feeling ko super curled na to. Alright, get ready with me. I am attending Kimi's premiere in a bit. And gusto ko mag-ayos pero light lang. So first off, I am gonna put my hair in 2 braids para mag-curl siya ng konti. Because I don't want to curl my hair with an iron today. Yes, I did a show called Hiram na Puso. Socks dapat. Oo nga eh. Yung ano tawag doon? Overnight heatless curls. Kaya lang kasi kakaligo ko lang ngayon, basa yung hair ko. So, i-braid ko na lang. Kasi yung gusto ko rin braid, yung ganyan-ganyan. Alright. So, before I dried my hair, thank you for buying eye white because of me. I love eye white. It's my favorite. Yes. Nanonood kasi ako ng When Life Gives You Tangerines. Actually, natapos ko na siya. Tapos pinipilit ko si ate na manood. Nandito si Ate Ethel, yung kasama ni Alfie today. So, si Ate Ethel comes here pag may work ako. Para may kasama si Alfie Lucci. Okay, so sinadya ko talaga na hindi siya sobrang tuyo. And then, before drying my hair, I applied this. This is Wow Texture Plus Finishing Spray. So it just helps add volume to my hair, which I love. Kaya tinan nyo, parang ang kapal-kapal niya right now. So, I don't know if you noticed, but I also had my hair colored recently. Nagsawa din ako sa black agad. Aray ko. Alright. So, we are gonna put my hair in 2 braids. And then later, I'm gonna put my bangs down and put my hair in a ponytail. Alright, so I'm gonna put my makeup on after this. Yes, to everyone asking, I am gonna start shooting very, very, very soon. So, intay-intay lang tayo. I had to go home lang sa London para kumuha ng gamit ko. And also, just to take care of like admin stuff, like adulting stuff. Alright. Hello, Princess Anne. Alright, so now that my hair is in 2 braids, I can start fixing my face. So we will start with my cheek tint, Bella by Bella. So this is my favorite. I always apply this before I do my whole face. Kasi I like the blush to look like it's glowing from within or it's coming from within. So that's 1 dot. Kakapalan ko today kasi premiere naman yung pupuntahan ko gabi. Yeah. So I was actually thinking kanina if I should get Ate Tess to do my makeup today. Usually kasi Ate Tess nag-makeup sa akin pag events. Pero guys, premiere naman kasi madilim naman. So hindi naman na makita yung face ko. So ako na lang. Yun yung point ng kwento ko na yan. Alright, so now I've applied my Bella by Bella. You just have to wait for it a bit. It's gonna get pinker and pinker. Yes, I have experienced writer's block. Actually, I would say that I was going through it for the last 2 years. And then suddenly, last year, I just got over it. Like, umupo ako sa beach. Naalala ko, nasa Boracay ako. Umupo ako sa beach. Tapos, sabi ko, tama na tong writer's block, magsulat na tayo. Tapos ayun, nagsulat na ako tuloy-tuloy. Okay. Alright, so I'm just waiting for it to develop. I actually bought a lot of new makeup while I was in London, so baka i-try ko siya. This is my favorite lipstick brand. It's Violet FR. Tapos ngayon pinost siya ni Lalisa. So, feeling ko sold out na naman to. And then I bought some Victoria Beckham eyeliners. This one I'm excited to try. I've never tried it. I have been offered work there, Jorico, to answer your question. But I'm happy where I am at the moment. And also, ooh, this is navy blue. Wait lang. Okay. Sorry, I had to reply lang. Alright. So, okay. Alright, there you go. So, I'm probably not gonna use blue eyeliner today. This is a bit too experimental for me. There's also, I also got brown eyeliner. This I might try. Tagal ko na naghahanap ng brown eyeliner na bagay sa akin. So this is the Victoria Beckham brown eyeliner. I can throw that away. Okay. I have to start doing my makeup. Okay, so I am going to put on some BB cream. My current fave perfume, I've been using my perfume a lot. Nostalgia from the Danny by Bella collection. Just cause ang sarap niya kasi amoy baby cologne lang. So, kahit na nasa London ako, yun yung cologne ko. Actually, ang dami nagtanong sa akin ano yung cologne ko. Hindi naman siya for sale sa London. Ayan. So, we're just gonna do like the makeup I usually do then pag showtime. Like, we're not gonna go extreme today. But as you can see, I have a pimple because I got my monthly visitor. Sorry guys, TMI. Yes, I'm going to the premiere. That's why I'm fixing my face. Nakakatawa din kasi kagabi, linalakad ko si Alfie, yung dog ko, dito sa tapat. Tapos sakto-sakto nakasalubong ka rin si Direct Chad, yung director ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Sabi niya, oh, pupunta ka daw sa premiere. Ay, kailangan ko na magpa-face shot. Ow! What did I do? Natusok yung mata ko, guys. Oh! Okay. May natusok yung mata ko, sakit. Okay. So there, I've applied my BB cream. Let's now apply, wow, that really hurts. Contour. Actually, this isn't really a contour. This is from Fenty Beauty. It's Mocha 03. Because it's warm tone. So actually, this is a bronzer, not a contour. I should buy like actual contour. Pero ginagamit ko na rin siya na parang contour. Okay lang yan. So, medyo, ang bronzer daw, mas mataas sa contour dapat. So, kung yung contour mo dito, yung bronzer mo, mas mataas ng konti. So, yan. And then, we're gonna add here for my nose line. So, I always just put a circle like that. And you'll see why. So, I like to use my hand for this. So, I just like to like smudge it out like this. Tapos, ikakalat ko na siya pataas. Yan. So, doing the circle adds like a little cute effect here. Yung parang button nose, yung medyo nakataas ng konti. And that's the effect I want to achieve. So, kaya yun yung ginagawa ko. So, brush. Yan, if you can see, my Bella by Bella is getting more and more pink now. Ano to? Okay. There you go. And then now we're going to add loose powder. My loose powder is from Givenchy. I don't know yet when I'm gonna do showtime. Actually, nag-inquire sila kung libre ako sa Saturday, but hindi ko pa nakikita yung schedule ko for the week. So, hindi ako sure kung nandun ako sa Saturday. Ayoko mag-commit, tas biglang wala ako dun. Baka hanapin niyo ako. Okay, so we're gonna put first under my eyes. So, ever since I found this loose powder, hindi na ako nagagamit ng foundation powder kasi ang perfect na niya. Wow! It's like the perfect blurring loose powder. Parang wala kang pores pag sa personal. Mamaya ako natatakpan yung pimple ko bago ako umalis. Pag malapit na ako umalis. Okay, let's put then sa eyelids. And of course, forehead. Kasi magbabangs ako para hindi mag-oily yung forehead ko. Para hindi mag-oily yung bangs ko. Haha! Okay. So that is my loose powder. So now we can add bronzer to my cheeks. Nanonood yung aso ko si Alfie. Hi, Alfie Luch! Do you wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? So, I like to do as well is just add where oh, thank you so much. Punta ka sa Saturday. Nakakamiss ka na sa showtime. Thank you so much. I will try my best. Basta walang work sa Saturday, I will go. Malalaman nyo yan. Sa Saturday. Okay. So, ayan. Alfie, ba't nag-give up ka na? Halika dito, dali. Come. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Guys, this is Alfie. Gusto niya lang mag-hi. Kanina pa siya nakatingin dito sa baba and suot niya yung necklace niya kaya gusto niya magparamdam. Okay. Are you done saying hi? Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. You're a good boy talaga. Yeah. Oh, I know you love me. Okay, go down na. Okay. Ayun lang, gusto niya lang naman mag-hi. Alright. Ang kilay. I have kalat-kalat na kilay, pero ayoko mag-pluck today because masakit. My brushes mostly are from yung Jelly and Vice collection. Kung hindi Jelly and Vice, Sephora. Gusto ko yung brushes ng Jelly and Vice kasi sobrang niyang lambot. May nakita akong tip sa TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko gagayahin. Ganito siya. Parang light na eyeliner. Ay, light na concealer. Tapos, natatakot ako kasi naka-base na ako eh. Sige, lagay ko muna yung sa eyes. Tapos parang dito pataas din. Dito din pataas. And then, may linagay sila parang pag ganun sa eyes. Yeah, like that. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa ko. Ito I'm super malas kasi I really have lines here sa lips, even when I was a little girl. Akala ko dahil chubby lang yung cheeks ko nung bata ako, kaya mabigat yung, parang nakaganon yung mouth ko. Pero kahit na naging dalaga na ako and nawala na yung chubby cheeks, wow, kala mo naman. Nandun pa rin siya. Pero to be fair, yung mga kapatid ko, meron din sila nun eh. So feeling ko na sa lahi. Ganito na yung makeup ko mamaya. Okay, so everything going up. Tapos one more thing. When you have product like ganyan, concealer, don't super rub it out kasi sayang yung product. Just dab. Kasi hindi naman siya moisturizer na kailangan i-absorb no skin. Okay. Okay, that actually works. It's supposed to like open up your eyes. Actually, lahat na lang ng alam ko sa makeup nowadays is based on like stuff I watch on TikTok. Who cut my bangs? Paul Nebres, my hairstylist. Paul knows like the shape of my face. Like he's been doing my hair for more than 10 years now. So, alam niya kung ano yung bagay sa shape ng mukha ko. I think that's very important kasi minsan nagdadala tayo ng peg. Yung mga sa Pinterest na, ito yung gusto kong hair. Pero hindi mo naman kamukha yun nandun sa Pinterest. So, paano? Okay. I know, sinabi ko hindi ako magpapabangs, pero tinan nyo na bore ako. Tapos ito na. Okay, so nakita nyo naman, wala pa ako nilalagay na blush. This is just my cheek tint. That's Bella by Bella. And it's so beautiful. Oof. Ang dami ko nalagay. Guys, napanood nyo na ba to? Yung When Life Gives You Tangerine. Sobrang ganda niya. Iyak ako na iyak nung natapos ko siya. Kasi parang I need more episodes. What am I doing? Oh, thank you so much. Sabi niya, Mima, sa'yo ko natutunan yung carbon footprint. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. No, I'm happy. I'm happy that hindi puro nonsense lang yung nasasabi ko. Sakit na likod ko kanina pa. Okay, so magkilay muna tayo. What's your diet po, Miss Bella? Actually, ngayon, wala na. Hindi na ako nagda-diet kasi na-achieve ko na yung weight na gusto ko. Gusto ko lang bumalik sa dati kong weight. Kasi dati 50 to 55 kilos ako. Pero nung nagka-hypothyroidism ako, umakyat ako ng 64 kilos. That's so much compared to 50 to 55. So my doctor, Dr. Angeles, gave me meds for my thyroid and also supplements to keep me healthy. And at the same time, I followed his advice na 100 grams of protein tapos maraming gulay for my meals. Tapos wala munang carbs, walang sugar. So, yun yung ginawa ko ng 5 buwan. Kaya ako pumayat. So, sa mga nagsasabing ang bilis ko pumayat, fake news yun. Hindi ako mabilis pumayat. 5 months ko na itong ginagawa. Parang 6 na nga. Mag-April na ba? Oo, mag-April na. So, ito, tinuro sa akin ni Jelly Eugenio. Pag nagkikilay, sa taas ka lang magdadagdag. Tapos, yung konti yung dito lang, yung butas lang sa front. Pero sa taas lang ang lagay ng kilay. Ah! Okay. So, I like making my kilay a bit longer than it really is. Nung napanood ko tong When Life Gives You Tangerines, naalala ko bakit ko mahal si Park Bo-gum. Nakalimutan ko na for a while eh. Tapos napanood ko to, sabi ko, shocks, oo nga pala, mahal ko nga pala si Park Bo-gum. Yun. Ay, hirap. Okay, there's my kilay, there's my face. I don't know what I want to do to my eyes today. Miyak si Ayu. Okay. Yes, si Alfie po yung sobrang maldita. Pero today, sobrang Latina niya. Pero hindi mapagkakaila. May mga araw talaga na sobrang maldita niya. Okay, tatanggalin natin yun. Aray. Aray! Nakakainis. Nababalat yung mukha ako. Ouch. Aray. Kaya ako na. Sakit. Ow! Okay, ako na, tama na. Woo. Let's do my eye makeup. I'm just making sausaw my makeup brush sa water. Tapos, light brown. Aray ko. Saan punta? I'm going to Kimmy's premiere. Guys, please watch. My love will make you disappear. I'm excited. Minsan lang mag-aya si Kimmy sa premiere niya. Ibig sabihin, proud siya dito. Or napanood niya na, nagandahan talaga siya. Ganun kaming tatlo. Pag sure kami sa movie namin, pag nagandahan kami, okay, game. Gaaya kami sa premiere. Pero pag parang, okay lang, sucks lang. Hindi ko alam kung ganun siya kaganda. Ayun, next time na lang kayo manood. So, ibig sabihin, napanood ni Kim to and nagandahan siya. Kaya yinaya niya kami ni Angge. Okay. I'm supposed to shoot 100 awit para kay Stella in 2 weeks. So, abangan. May naayos lang. Actually, natagalan kami parang sa casting eh. Kasi may additional character na isa pang guy. So, exciting. And they just confirmed the other guy a few weeks ago. Like, they just told me who it is. And I'm excited to work with him. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry, I have to end this. It's kind of important. Mag-live na lang ako ulit. Bye! Balik ako. Bye! Okay, I'm back. Okay, so far, ang nadagdag ko lang is I added brown eyeliner in the waterline inside, not on top of my eye. And then now we're gonna add liquid eyeliner on top of my eye. Pero brown. I don't like using black eyeliner kasi it's so tapang. Alfie! Gawin na naman si Alfie sa labas na imaginary. Guys, question. Meron na ba sa inyo dito nakapunta sa Dangwa? Kasi never pa ako nakapunta ng Dangwa and gusto ko siya i-try. And gano'n siya kahirap? Like, would you recommend it? Ayan. Oh, taga dun po ako. Hi, Lulu. Dangwa is so pretty. Okay. I wanna go on a Sunday. What time would you say is the best time to go? What shade is my blush? We only have one shade. This is Bella by Bella Cheek Tint. I applied it before I put my whole face. Wait, Alfie. Wait. Wait, Alfie. Don't be mad. Hi, guys. Thank you. Alis tayo ng mga 6:10.
Mamaya nang abang binibay ko kayo, papagas ka na.
Sige, pag-gas ka na na. May pera pa ba sa'yo?
Wala ba? 200 pesos yung sukuhin.
Teka na. Wait lang. Alfie, wait. Pag-gas daw. Okay. Alfie! Ito kaya. Kuya, pag-gas ka ng 2K. Tapos alis tayo ng 6:10. Pwede tayo Mega Mall. Or mga 6:20. Paki-waze mo nga, kuya, kung anong tamang oras umalis para nandun ako ng mga 6:50. Mega Mall. Sa mall. 10 minutes before 7, dapat nandun na ako. Okay. Let's go! Okay. Nagpabili ako ng ipit kay kuya. Kay Kuya Archie! What's my favorite red lippy? Oh my god, Sephora. This one. Ito yung pinost ko, tapos lahat ng tao sabi Dior. Hindi siya Dior. It's this. It's a Sephora lipstick, and the shade is 01. Sorry, I don't think you guys can read it. It's 01, and it's the cream lip stain. Actually, I'm wearing a red dress tonight. Should I wear red lips? Okay, so, pag-usapan natin ulit yung Dangwa. So, anong oras ako dapat pumunta sa Dangwa pag Sunday? Kung Sunday ko gustong pumunta doon. And saan ako pupunta para bumili ng flowers na hindi pa naka-arrange? Gusto ko yung ako yung mag-aayos. Yung reply sa Dangwa. Okay, this is so hard. Sa may tapat ng St. Jude, yung mga buhaghag na flowers. OMG, thank you so much. 4 a.m. Okay, St. Jude, 4 a.m. Got it. Thank you. Okay, sobrang tagal kong ginawa yung isang eyeliner. Paano pa to? Wala na, kinakabahan na ako. What is it, Alfie? Sino bang kaaway mo sa labas? Wala naman tao dun. Alfie. There you go. I think yun na yung makeup ko for later. Okay. And then glitter stick cream. Just for inside my eyes. Here. Inner corner pala. Not inside my eyes. Inner corner of my eyes. So like this. And then you kind of like pull it down like that. And then you just spread it a little bit or smudge it a little bit with your hand. There you go. And that just opens up your eyes. Also add a bit here. Alfie! What? There's no one outside. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, ilabas na natin yung braids kasi baka sumabrang kulot naman. Ilang minutes ka usually mag-makeup? Pag ganitong may time ako, pwede ako 1 hour mag-makeup. Pero pag nagmamadali, kaya akong 10 minutes lang mag-makeup. Ganito rin yung effect niya. There you go. That's exactly the curl I wanted. So, happy. No, I'm not in London. I'm in Manila na. Ayan. Lovely. These are exactly the curls I wanted for tonight. So now let's choose what lipstick I'm gonna use. Lip tint first. This is by Face Shop. Sa loob lang. And then lip liner by Vanilla Co. How did I do my curls? I just braided it. Like I did 2 French braids. And I applied this Wow texturizing spray when my hair was still wet. And that's it. So it still looks soft. But I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. I just want the ponytail to have like a bit of shape. Okay, so lip liner. And then we're gonna use my Violet FR lipstick. But this is a bit red. Parang ayaw ko mag-red. Here, Violet FR, but no, that's orange. Ayaw ko mag-orange. Actually, what I'll use is Charlotte Tilbury. This is Secret Selma. That's what it looks like. There you go. And then my favorite part is just smudging the edges with my ring finger and my other fingers. There you go. Just so it looks more natural. And then we are gonna add a bit of, I don't know if I want to use Dior or neto na lang. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This will add like a satin finish. There you go. Just so it's not so matte. So these are going in my bag. This is my bag for tonight. Ta-da! So, ang dala ko sa bag ko ay pera. Nakakatawa yung pera ko naka-envelope kasi hindi ko mahanap yung wallet ko. Card holder. Powder na press powder for retouching. AirPods. I don't know why I have my AirPods. I don't need to bring a BB cream anymore. This is my perfume tonight. This is from Glossier. It's the new You perfume. So it's the white one. It smells very fresh. Personally, I still like Nostalgia more from Danny by Bella. But naubusan ako ng maliliit kasi pinamigay ko na lahat. I need to get stock from our HQ. And then, I'm gonna keep my... What do you guys think? Okay na ba yung eye makeup ko or dagdagan ko pa konti? My blush tonight is just my cheek tint. This is just Bella by Bella. I haven't added any other blush so far. I am going to a premiere. That is my event tonight. Okay, nakakatawa to pag tinanggal ko. Matatawa kayo because it's gonna be so curly. See? But, babagsak pa yan. Give it time. In fact, I am gonna brush it out a bit. Okay. Ang bilis kasi bumagsak ng hair ko, kaya kailangan ko siyang i-roll in advance. So, we have to leave it like this for a while. I know it looks funny right now. Eyeshadow pa. Talaga? Sige. Maybe I'll add a bit of orange. There you go. Ta-da! You guys are right. It looks better. And then, of course, we have to add under para pumantay. So, same shade of orange. This is also Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillow Talk palette. There you go. Mas nabuhay eyes mo. Oh, thank you so much. What's my outfit? I am wearing a red dress. Na sinesteam pa ni ate. So, hintayin natin. I think babaunin ko yung brown eyeliner ko kasi kung nakakaiyak yung movie, kailangan ko i-retouch yung eyeliner ko. So, I'm gonna bring this. And then, I already love my Bella by Bella blush. I don't need to add blush, but I will add like a lighter shade here. Totoo ba yung bags mo, Bella? Yes! Girls, don't buy fake bags because it promotes human trafficking. That is so wrong. Always buy original. In fact, I bought that from Prada in the airport. So, we are gonna use YSL blush. This is like the lightest. Yeah. So, dito lang sa top. Para lang mabuhay lang ng konti. Yun. Yeah, so I guess that's one advice I can give to like the young girls watching here. Kung talagang gipit at wala kayong pambili ng bag, wag na lang bumili ng fake version ng branded na bag, guys. Kasi nagsusupport ng human trafficking pag ganyan. Dahil hindi sa tamang factory ginagawa yung mga fake na bag. So, ingat-ingat please. If it's not a trusted seller, like personal shopper, just either buy from the store itself, like from the luxury designer stores, or buy when you're traveling. Like that's the best kasi may discount, may tax refund. But yeah. Anong gamit kong eyeliner? Shocks, bigay lang ni Ate Testo, hindi ko sure. Pero yung liquid, this is K-Palette. Yung one day tattoo. Kaya ito yung mga binili sa akin ni Kuya na banana clip. Nagpabili akong banana clip kay Kuya kasi gusto ko na messy ponytail look. Pero kung hindi ko siya ma-achieve, magpo-ponytail lang ako ng totoong ponytail. I've never actually used the banana clip before, so wish me luck. So I need to cut this. Give me a sec. Okay, so never pa ako nagamit ng banana clip in my life, pero nakita ko siya dito din sa TikTok. Kaya ako nagpabili. So we'll try. I have to flip my hair and then put it in a ponytail. Ooh, I like. Okay, kailangan ko lang isama lahat. Yes, I like this messy look. Yes, it is giving. Sana lang umipit siya dahil ang daming buhok. Patay. Ah, there you go. Okay, so I guess I just have to fix it a little bit. So, lagay tayo ng laglag. Yung mga hindi ko maayos, ipipin ko na lang. Pero see, this is why I braided my hair. Kasi gusto ko ng messy effect sa back. Pero parang sumobrang messy yung dito. So what is that? I will cover that up with my hair cover upper. This is from Etude, but I bought it in Korea. I don't think they sell it here. So ito yung sakit ng mga pag-light yung buhok. Pag tumubo siya, yung mga baby hair, sobrang light. Ayan. So, or pag manipis yung hair. Ta-da! No more. Magic. Alright. Parang hindi siya pantay, no? Kailangan siya ulitin. Ulitin ko siya. Okay. Ow! Okay, we're gonna do it again. So, let's try the bigger one. Okay, I actually like this more. The bigger one has more. Wow, sobra niya na-stretch yung eyes ko. Nakita niyo ba? Gumanon yung mata ko. Okay. This is it, pansit. I love it. I love that all these 90s inventions are coming back. So I have to curl this kasi dito to sa gitna. Tapos diretso siya eh. Okay, I'm gonna use a hair straightener for that. But let's see if there are areas I need to cover. Diba, giving yung bangs? Actually, gusto ko nang panindigan yung bangs ko eh. Kasi, nung bata ako, never ako natanggalan ng bangs. Lagi ako naka-bangs. Tapos, nung tumanda na ako, syempre high school na ako, feeling ko, oh my gosh, dalaga na ako. Hindi na ako pwede mag-bangs. So, hindi na ako nagba-bangs. But, I actually feel like I look better with bangs. I don't know. Let me know if you guys agree. But gusto ko na siyang panindigan like Taylor Swift. Yung talagang hindi niya na tinanggal yung bangs sa ever. Okay, so we're gonna brush it out para bumaba pa siya ng konti. And then, I'm just gonna use my small hair straightener for these, for the sides. But yeah, for them to stay like this for a long time, I used Wow. Okay, I kind of love my hair. So all I have to do later is get dressed and pick what shoes I'm gonna wear. My bag is ready. That's it. Yes, I'm working with JC again for Isang Daang Awit para kay Stella. I think JC has a movie out right now. It's called Journeyman. So if you guys have time, please watch. I heard it's really good. Yeah. I don't know what my face shape is. Dati kasi round nung bata ako. I think ngayon oval. I'm not sure. Let me know if I'm wrong. I might be wrong. Okay, while I'm still here, I'm gonna add a bit of bronzer. Tilbury. Yes, it's a continuation of Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella. So we're gonna add it on the tip of my nose. Cheeks. That's it. Actually, kailangan ko na umalis. And that is my final look for the premiere tonight. Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and I guess you'll see my full look pag may nag-post later sa red carpet. Tapos, sinesteam pa siya ni ate, so hindi ko pa siya mapakita sa inyo. But yeah. Bye guys! I love you all! Bye!